Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to get totems in the Forge in Roblox. So these are some of the simple methods that are going to help you on totems without spending Robux. So first of all, you need to open Roblox and join the Forge game. Open the spawn in the lobby and look around for the daily rewards or the free bonus sections. Now, many times you get the free items just for login in every single day. Next, you just have to complete the basic missions and challenges shown on your screen. So these are the tasks that are very simple and reward you with the coins, XPs, and sometimes free totems directly. After that, you just have to take part in the limited time events inside the game. So here, event challenges often give you the free totems when you finish them for the few rounds and reach a target score. So you should also check the shop section for free packs and reward boxes. Some days the game is going to give you one free box that is going to contain totems and other useful items. So this way you will be able to get totems in the Forge. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.